G'day guys, it's the Jimmy Hack channel. Look, we're looking at putting in a high performance transmission cooler, and basically we're going to connect it to the original lines here. I'm going to piss off that internal cooler. I'm not a big fan of those. I'll show you why in a second. Alright, so basically this is the cooler here. It is very restrictive. If you have a look down inside, so we can get some light on here. Not sure how good that is. The light, yeah, it's pretty shit. Anyway, take my word for it. They're very restrictive. When they put these together from factory, they've actually got a bit of Loctite they put on the threads, and you can get threads, bits of Loctite and shit down there, and that can get inside and stuff up the galleries. The galleries are really, really small, so when you put flow in this end, it drops the pressure at this end. So absolute shit as far as flow goes, and then there's also the risk of the thing leaking and milking up your trans. Alright, so the simple solution is to get these fittings here. There's three pieces. We got this one that goes on to the line itself. Put this on the line. It's got that SAE type fitting there with this washer. It's got this little nylon thing in the center of it. So typically this here would go on that fitting, so we take that off, we put that on there. Alright, so basically that's what it looks like. You've got this fitting coming from the factory, goes into an adapter here. There's a washer with a nylon piece on it, this adapter, then this one, and then you've got your barb. This is rated to 500 psi, they tell me. You don't need a clamp if it's under 100 degrees. You can simply just push that on, and it's a fit that's not going to come off. You've got to cut them off. If you're over 100 degrees, you've got to put one of these clamps on there to lock it in place. And then that just runs into, basically goes into here, the other end. So yeah, this is a pretty high-end sort of an installation. The next one after this is to get custom lines made up, and they put I think it's a DIN type fitting on here. It's silver soldered in place, and you've got a compressed fitting that goes on there, and it's all made up, ready to go. Alright guys, so if you're thinking about putting in a transmission cooler and you want something that's going to take quite a bit of heat and quite a bit of pressure, you can't go further past this. Alright, hope that's been helpful for any of you drifters or drag enthusiasts or vannies that want to do some towing. This is a pretty good system. Okay, bye for now.